shaver yesterday. You may quietly go with her right now, okay? Now, you should have a 4 in one part. Now, in the other part, you need to put a 3. So one part's a 4, one part's a 3, and it doesn't matter if you have them switched. Okay? Now, this is my sister, and this is my brother. The 4 is my sister, the 3 is my brother. When I add my brother and sister together, I get my whole, which is my mom and dad. So Raylan, what's 4 plus 3?
7.
7. So my whole would be 7. That would be my mom and dad. Now down here, we need an addition sentence. And we could write 4 plus 3 equals 7. Or if you wanted to, you could flip that around and you could write another one could be 3 plus 4 equals 7. So it doesn't matter which one you write as long as you have one of them. Now down here, they want us to put a subtraction one. Yes, Lewis?
I only have 2 sisters and no brothers.
I know, but we're using this as an example. We're just pretending that these are our brothers and sisters. Okay? Just pretending, Lewis. Now down here, if I want to subtract, who do I have to start with, Wyatt?
Brother and sister. Mom and dad.
Your mom and dad. When you subtract, you always start with your mom and dad. So the whole, the biggest one. So I have to start with my mom and dad, the 7. And I'm going to take away either the brother or the sister. Eli, what do you think?
Well, 7s look like a big old
I know, you're right. It kind of does. Should I fix that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a big old.
There. Is that better, Eli?
Yes.
Okay. 7 minus what, Brooklyn? What do you think?
We should minus the sister.
The sister we said was 4, right? And then,
Sister 3.
oh, the sister is 3, sorry.
What? It's fine.
Either 7 minus 4 equals 3, or 7 minus 3 equals 4. Either one you can do. Because in a fact family, there's always 2 addition and 2 subtraction. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, but you only have to write one of each today. But pretty soon we'll be writing all 4 of them.
Oh, I thought the bottom row, like right here where you did your 7, I thought that's where you could write your opposite. Then I clicked where you erased that.
Good job fixing your mistake. Okay, now go on to the next page. And here is a helpful hint. Addition and subtraction are opposite of each other. So they are the opposite, and that's why it's a family, and we can flip them around and do the opposite, okay? They're related. Okay. Now, on this one, number 1, we are going to use our addition facts to subtract. So, guys, what is 6 plus 3? What do you think that is, Addie? I'm sorry, 6 plus 7. I'm sorry, 6 plus 7.
Well, basically, if 6 plus 6 is 12, then 6 plus 7 is 13.
Good. Addie said, well, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more would be 13. Guess what? She's right. You know why I know she's right? Because look down here, we have 13, which is the answer, minus 6 equals what?
7.
Yeah, 7. And then we have 13 minus 7. And what does that equal?
Why does it feel like the
6.
equal in here?
So it's a family. It's a family. It's a back family. use your ruler.
12.
Good job, Wyatt. And Wyatt, I know you're right, because look over here. 12 minus 7, what would that be, Raylan?
7. 5.
5, good job. And I know you're right, because there's 5 right there. 12 minus 5 would be what, Libby? What is it? I kind of gave you a hint, didn't I? Nope, right here.
7.
Yep, 7. It's a fact family. You gotta use all 3 numbers in your addition or subtraction sentence. Okay, number 3. 5 plus 6, John. What is 5 plus 6, John? Well, 5 plus, yes, because 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more would be 11. I know John is right. Let's look over here. The next one says 11 minus 6. Kinsley.
You can see on every single one, it's like you can 7 plus 5 equals 12.
Yeah, the answer's kind of there, right?
Yeah, it's like in a row when you do it.
Yes, you are right. You can kind of see the answers there. So 11 minus 6, what would that be, John? Five. And then 11 minus 5, what would that be, Corla?
6.
Yes, you got it, Corla. Good job. All right, the last one on this page, number 4. 7 plus 4. What do you think that is, Elliot? 7 plus 4. Ellie, say 7 and count 4 more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. And I know she's right because look, there's 11 right there. 11 minus 4. What is that, Louis?
Oh, that's easy.
What is it?
1, 2, 3.
7. You're right. And then 11 minus 7, what would that be? LES. 4. You got it. Awesome. It's a fact family with 11 and 7 and 4. Okay. Now I want you. Okay, I'll circle that 1 second. Flip to the back page, and we're gonna do these 2 problems together. Okay. Okay, flip to the very back where you see that cute little turtle. No, I think we'll skip the brain builder today. So you can cross off the brain builder.
What's the brain builder?
It's on the back, number 21.
You mean 72?
No, question 21 is what I meant.
Oh.
No. No.
I'm gonna do white math either.
No.
Well, mostly we do the
Okay, on the back, we're going to do these 2 story problems together. I will read number 19, and I want you to think, how are you going to solve this? The tennis team has 16 players. 8 lead the team. How many players are still on the team? Corla, what do you think? Or were you going to tell me something?
I used to have a turtle named Reddle.
Oh, say it one more time, a little bit louder.
I used to have a turtle named Reddle.
Ruddles? That is a cute name. I like that name. Okay, so who can tell Mrs. Murphy how many players are starting tennis, Brooklyn? are we starting the team with, Brooklyn?
16.
16.
And
And how many are leaving? Brooklyn?
8.
8. So let's write on the line 16 minus 8, because 8 are leaving. And that equals, I think that's what we learned yesterday. We're subtracting a double. What does that equal, Brooklyn?
It equals, seven.
No, we're subtracting a double. My friends that came in from the shapers, flip to the back page, okay? Raylan,
8.
8. So 16 minus 8 equals 8. All right, now my answer would be 8 players are still on the team. Number 20. 10 turtles are on a log. 2 turtles jump in the water and swim away. How many turtles are left on the log? So how many turtles are we starting with, Corla, since you love turtles?
I do too.
How many turtles are we starting with, Corla? 10. And 2 jump into the water, so they go away. So we're going to subtract 2. Just wait, not in the middle of lesson. And how many are we left with? 10 minus 2. Eli, what's 10 minus 2?
10 minus 2 is 8.
8. So there are 8 turtles that are left. All right, I would like you to finish